Traverse cylinders. There are two traverse cylinders. One is mounted on the bottom non-operator side, and one is mounted on the top operator side. Both will have a mounting block connected to the stationary platen for the rod side of the traverse cylinders to mount to. The stationary platen and the mounting block each have a keyway cut into them, and they are mounted with a key inserted. Caution: there are two positions that the mounting blocks can install on the stationary platen: forward, close to the mold face, or back, close to the injection unit. Ensure the mounting blocks are installed in the back position. The traverse cylinders and the moving platen each have keyways cut into them for mounting with a key. The traverse cylinder will be mounted to the moving platen.